12.5 is about circles in the coordinate plane. So again, we're still dealing with circles here, and we're going to use this equation right here. X minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. Where x and y is just a point anywhere in the circle. H and k is your center of your circle, and r being your radius. So problem 1 talks about writing an equation of a circle. What is the standard equation of a circle with center at 5, negative 2, and a radius of 7? So again, we're using that x minus something squared plus y minus something squared equals your radius squared. So we're just kind of filling that stuff in. Now x minus h, well, the x coordinate in this point is 5, so that goes there. That's my center. The y coordinate is negative 2, that goes right there, negative 2. Okay, and then 7 goes there. Well, let's clean it up. Nothing needed here. X minus 5 squared plus, now minus and negative can't stay. Remember, that becomes plus a positive, plus 2 squared equals 7 squared, which gives me 49. And that's your equation of your circle. Problem 2 talks about a standard equation of a circle with center at 1, negative 3 that passes through the point 2, 2. Well, they give us our center, and again, we need two things. We need center and we need our radius. We don't know what our radius is, so we got to find it. You could draw this out and plug it in if you wanted to, but I would just go ahead and use the distance formula here. And again, radius is going to equal the square root of our x's, which are 1 minus 2 squared, plus our y's, which is negative 3 minus 2 squared. That ends up giving me the square root of negative 1 squared plus negative 5 squared, which will give me the square root of positive 1 plus 25, which is just the square root of 26. Now, I don't need to simplify the square root of 26. Why? Because, again, you're going to take the center, you're going to take your radius, you're going to plug it into that equation. So our equation is x minus our x coordinate, which is 1, squared, plus y minus our y coordinate, which is negative 3, squared, equals, and again, our radius here is the square root of 26 squared. So let's clean it up. X minus 1 stays, squared, plus y minus the negative 3, again, becomes y plus 3 squared equals, now, the square root of 26 squared is just going to be 26. And there's my standard form of the equation. Problem 3 is about graphing a circle given the standard form of the equation right here. Now remember, this is our center, okay, and this is our radius squared. Be careful because remember, refresh your memory, it's x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. So refresh our memory. So what's our center? X minus h, so our center is h comma k in this particular example. Well, let's look here. What's my center? Well, see, it's x minus 7 and x minus h, so that means our x coordinate is positive 7. It's always opposite in parentheses. That's always remember. So negative 7 becomes positive 7, and positive 2 gives me negative 2. So my center is 7, negative 2. So let's plot that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2. So right there is my center. Okay, and my radius, remember, r squared equals that 64. So r squared equals 64. How do I solve for r? Square root both. R is 8. So our radius is 8. What I do is I just go ahead and go out 8 from each way. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is this way. Up 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is down here. And 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 8 is all the way over there somewhere. Obviously I ran out of room, but then you would just go ahead and connect our circle. Terrible drawing. It looks like a lemon. But you get the point. So go up, left, right, and down 8 and connect it in terms of a circle. They use a compass. Obviously I don't have one here, but we'll go from there.